First, we're going to want to take out these two pins. Hit it with a hammer. Push this down, hold it down a little bit so you can pull your pin out. It takes off the tension. You're going to pull off your caliper bolt, which holds down your pads. Sometimes these are going to be stuck on here from excessive brake dust buildup. So what you do is you just unscrew your bolt a little bit and then just tap it with a hammer like this, and it'll pop out like that. Bam! And then it pops out. Then you just slide your pads out. I'm taking out brand new pads, so they're a little tight. If you have used pads in there, they're going to be a little loose. These are just snug because they're brand new. I'm swapping them out for my Demon pads. All right. Just like so. Line your holes up with your holes right here. All right, now they're in. Now we're just gonna put caliper bolt back in. Do not over tighten this bolt. All right, it's only there to keep your brake pads from flying out. So it doesn't need to be on there with 100 pounds of torque. Just tighten it down so it stays and it doesn't vibrate loose. Now we're gonna put this back on. This goes on this way, down. These go against these tabs right here on your pads to keep your pads pressed down. It really doesn't matter if you put it this way on this side or put this on top. Either side it's gonna hold this part right here. All right, get your pin started. Slide it through this little channel right here. Once you get it set, you don't have to punch it all the way in yet. Put this one in, press down. I like to use all right, you can take your hammer and just tap them in. Bevel type of hammer, not completely flat when I use it on the calipers. That way it just hits the pin and it doesn't contact any of the sides right here. All right, and that's it. One pad in on one side. Let's go do the other side. It's just that simple.